Come through. So. What do you want?
I know what's going on. Linda told me.
Oh, yeah? And what did she tell you?
About the money she owes.
It's not my fault. She loves a punt.
Well, she can't pay it.
Yeah, well, can we do this later, Jake? Because I'm on the clock here.
So I'll pay the fucking debt.
Oh, since when did you grow a heart?
I just hate you that much.
Fine. You be a hero. Just wait here. You ready?
You fellas my ride?
You know the protocol?
These come off the second I'm in that brawler.
All right, let's do this. We're out of here.
Hey, Mitchell's not feeling well. Just going to take her to main medical.
Unlock the cuffs.
What?
There's something I need to do back in general. I just need 5 minutes.
Are you serious?
Unlock the cuffs.
No.
Unlock the fucking cuffs now.
Hey, Mr. Brody, where's my transport?
Yeah, it's coming, Connors. Both of you, wait in there.
You're fucking kidding me.
Wait in there. I don't fucking believe this. We are supposed to be in that fucking brawler already. Oh, shit. Let's go. Just hold up, yeah?
What's Winter doing here?
Oh, she just had a strip search.
Birdsworth just had a visitor. Who's he?
He's here to take Connors to a committal.
Right, well, you're running a bit late. She's meant to have left 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Well, I don't recognise either of you.
Oh, well, the agency sent them.
So where are your IDs? Show me your IDs.
Wes, you've got it. Sorry, we just forgot to put them on. They're just in the bag here.
Murray, what the fuck is going on?
What are you waiting for, Birdsworth? Clothes won't strip themselves.
We need to go now.
What do you want to do with her?
Brody, why don't you end this now? Whatever is going on, it is not worth a stretch at Walford.
Shut up.
As a prison officer, how long do you think you'll last?
I said shut
You've
up.
seen a lynching? I have.
Tape up her mouth too.
What are you waiting for? I told you to strip. You're going to the psych unit, Wordsworth.
I'm not going to the fucking psych unit. Fucking.
Boy, come here! How are you doing, boy? Come here! Calm down!
Get off me!
Calm down!
Hey, shut her up.
Call it a lockdown! Call it a lockdown!
Get him in there!
This is Sierra 7. We need a lockdown in the admissions corridor. I repeat, we need a lockdown in the admissions corridor.
Where's Anton? We're going now!
What has he done?
Why is an opening, Sean? Fuck.
Sierra 3 to Sierra 4. What's going on in admissions corridor?
Prisoner Birdsworth went crazy in the strip search room, attacked an officer.
No, shut the fuck up. But look, it's all under control now. I need the lockdown released so I can get the officer into medical.
Over.
What's Windsor doing down there?
We have a medical emergency here, Governor. I need you to open the airlock.
Officer Brody, put Miss Bennett on the radio.
Officer Brody, I asked you to put Miss Bennett on. That's an order.
Put her on now.
Fuck.
Hey,
What's going on?
It's fine. Just go sit back down. Sierra 9 to Sierra 5, over.
Hey, why are we in lockdown?
There's something going on with Brody in admissions corridor. If there are any officers near the admissions corridor, I want eyes on. There's an officer hurt. Vera's down there.
What?
Along with Windsor and Birdsworth. I don't know who else.
What the hell is he doing?
Put her back in the strip search room and shut her the fuck up. Shut your mouth. Get in there. Get in there. Don't move! Drag her in there, cuff her to the table.
Shit. Now we have got to leave. Now.
Oh, yeah? What do you think I'm trying to do? 5 fucking minutes.
It might have something to do with Linda. Sean's got his hooks into her for 20 grand.
What's going on?
Officer Brody.
I need you to open the airlock, Will.
Not till you tell me what this is about.
Well, right now it's about you opening this door.
Who are the other officers?
With you.
Open the fucking airlock, Will.
Open it. Vera's in there.
Sean, okay. Look, I'll release the airlock, but only for you and the other 2 officers. You leave Vera and Windsor behind.
I can't do that, Gov.
They're both coming with me now, insurance.
Fucking prick, give me the radio.
Brody, you won't get far.
I'm informing the police.
Yeah? You bring the cops into this? You bring them into this?
I shoot Vera. Now open the airlock.
Get in there.
Just let him go.
Okay.
Give them Winter.
Yes, Governor?
Call the police. Tell them we've got a code red in progress.
What are you doing? You heard him. He's going to shoot Vera.
What the hell are they trying to do? It's work unit. Is that still on?
Fucking Christ for that! Thank you. Laundry.
Linda, it's Will.
What was with the alarm?
We're in lockdown.
Brody's taken control of the admissions corridor.
He's what?
Listen,
Do you have any idea what this is about?
me?
No, why?
Well, you owe money.
It's not that. It could have something to do with Winter.
What?
Sean and Winter have something going on. That's all I know.
He's armed with a gun.
You're fucking kidding me.
Right now,
They're holed up in small medical. He's got 2 guys dressed as officers. I don't think he knows you guys are in there. Listen, do you think you can get the women through the east
airlock.
I don't know. We can try.
Okay. I'll distract him.
And when you're all at the airlock, I'll release it.
Okay.
I'm running out of patience here.
If you hurt Vera, I will fucking kill you.
Oh, Jakey!
Hey, if you want to see her or your baby alive, you get the boss to release this door.
Oh, you're a dead man, Brody.
Yeah.
I'm going down there.
Like how you are. You stay put. Last thing we need is another hostage.
Shut up and listen. We go one by one to the airlock. When we're all there, the governor will unlock it.
Stop fucking with me, Will.
I'm not sure.
I'm just trying to figure out why this is happening.
Yeah, well, you figure it out when we're gone.
You know I can't let you take anyone with you.
Hey! I'm the one with the gun here, and I'm gonna fucking use it. Now, you don't want anyone's blood on your hands, do you?
Well, do you?
No.
No.
So you open this door, or someone's gonna die. Hey! Get in the fucking laundry. Get in there! Get in there! Get up! Get in there now! Stay where you are!
What are you doing, Sean?
Shut up, you whiny bitch. Give me that belt. Hurry up! Cover the cameras. Do it. Do it! Fucking hell.
She needs a doctor.
This has turned to shit.
This is Rita Connors.
I'm in the admissions holding cell. Is anyone hearing this? Hello? Is there anyone there?
I want everyone together over here. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Get on the floor. You too, Smiles.
Officer Brody, holding up a prison, really fucking smart.
If that bitch gets mouthy again, shoot her in the face.
How close are the police?
10 minutes. The SOG's been notified.
If he hurts Vera because of the cops.
Will, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Are you all right? Is Vera okay?
Yeah, but we don't really know what's going on. I'm scared, Will. He's got a gun on me. We need you to open the airlock.
I can't let him take you and Vera.
Well, I'll go with him as a hostage, and I'll take care of Miss Bennett, I promise.
Can't take that chance.
Please, Will, he's going to start hurting the women.
You got to convince Sean to just take Winter. Let Vera go.
Right, you heard her, Gov. Now are you going to open this door?
Can't do that, Sean.
Fuck! Get her in the laundry.
This is Rita Connors.
I'm in the admissions holding cell.
Please, someone, come in.
Holy shit. It's sitting up.
Oh, shit. Oh, God. Is everyone here okay?
Miss Bennett, what's going on? Winter is trying to escape. Officer Brody is working for her.
No fucking way. I never liked that bitch.
What the fuck?
Mari, what the fuck
Shut
are you
her
doing?
up.
Don't you touch her!
Oh, I'm going to do more than touch her if we don't get out of here, Mari. I'll shoot her in the fucking head.
Is there anybody there? For God's sakes!
It's Rita Connors. I'm in the admissions holding cell. Somebody answer this bloody intercom.
Who's this?
Hello?
Jackson. Who? Yeah, patch you through. Connors.
Where are you?
I'm stuck in the bloody holding cell while all this shit's going down.
We're in lockdown.
You just have to sit it out.
Listen, I don't know what's going on, but Murray Winter is running things.
What? What are you saying?
Whatever it is with Officer Brody and those other two fellas, Murray's behind it.
What is it?
Brody, put Winter on.
Why?
I said put Winter on.
Will?
What's going on?
It's Officer Brody's gone crazy or something.
Are you behind this?
What? I don't... What are you talking about?
Are you trying to escape?
Just tell me the truth, Mary. Whatever's going on between you and Brody, are you behind it?
Just open the gate, Will.
Time is up, Governor. You release the fucking lockdown now! Okay. Release the lockdown, or I shoot Vera.
It's over, Sean.
Open the doors, Will.
There's no way out of this.
Open the doors!
Just drop the gun and end this before someone gets hurt.
Open the fucking airlock!
Don't make this worse for yourself, Sean!
Sean? Sean?
Open the doors.